Magandang buhay po mga kaibigan. Yan. Welcome to Divine Business Presentation. Ito po yung aming business plan preview ng Divine E-Commerce Marketing Corporation na kauna-unahan po dito sa lungsod ng Batangas. Ayan. So handa na po ba kayo makinig? Sa lahat po ng aking mga taga-subaybay, sa lahat po ng gustong sumali o magnegosyo gamit ang Divine Shop ay makinig po tayo at nandito po lahat at akin pong i-discuss lahat ang simula hanggang sa katapusan nito. Makinig lang po kayo. Ayan. So ano po yung content natin na dapat natin talakayin? So paano po nagsimula yung Divine? Ito po yung about us, our office, who we are, ecosystem, what is Divine Corporation Shop, our brand and products, and how to start, and kasama na po dito yung compensation plan. So, makinig po tayo lahat at nandito po ako upang ibigay sa inyo ang about sa ano ba itong Divine E-Commerce Marketing Corporation. About us, we are a multi-vendor e-commerce platform. Yan po. Sapagkat tayo po ngayon ay digital na yung ating mga business. So tayo po yung kauna-unahang multi-vendor e-commerce platform with affiliate marketing program aim to build a community of local sellers and affiliate marketers in every countries in the world. Di po ba? Ang ganda po. So our office, Divine E-Commerce Marketing Corporation office located at ETA Right, Manghinaw 1, Bawal, Batangas, Region 4A, Calabarzon 4201. So ito po yung kauna-unahang e-commerce marketing corporation sa lungsod po ng Batangas sa Region 4. Ayan. So napakadali pong hanapin, tabi po yan ng highway. Who we are? Divine E-Commerce Marketing Corporation is a corporation duly registered in the Philippines under company registration number 2024-040-145464-30. A multi-vendor e-commerce platform with affiliate marketing program fully owned and managed by Mendoza's family. So, yung po ating pinaka-CEO at founder, Mr. Bencio Briones Mendoza, CFO, co-founder, Miss Jennifer Ilagan Mendoza, at CMO co-founder Mr. Jerome Ilagan Mendoza. Sila po yung pamilya na Mendoza na nakaisip po nitong Divine E-Commerce Marketing Corporation. Kaya nga po, nandito po sila. Yan. Sino po yung Bencio Mendoza? CEO, founder, Mr. Bencio Mendoza, Briones Mendoza, ACP is the CEO founder of Divine E-Commerce Corporation. He graduated from East West College in Calgary, Alberta, Canada with a diploma in accounting payroll administration. He holds a certification in payroll compliance legislation ACP CPA and has a completed studies in police science law enforcement, specializing in criminal law with nearly 20 years of experience and multi-level across various major companies worldwide. We always emphasize, I will do whatever it takes. Ayan po yung ating pinaka-CEO. Ang ating pong CFO, asawa po ni CEO. CFO co-founder Ms. Jennifer Ilagan Mendoza hold the role of CFO, Chief Finance Officer, and Treasurer of the corporation. She graduated with a degree of BSN and has completed study in Business Administration, HR Management, and Accounting Payroll. Ms. Mendoza is known for his quote, Luke 6:38, give and it will given to you. So, yun po naman ang ating pong CMO. Siya po yung ikangay sa marketing officer, founder, co-founder Mr. Jerome Ilagan Mendoza, hold a diploma in business administration, HR, and accounting. Yan. So sila po yung team. ng Divine E-Commerce Marketing Corporation. Ecosystem. Yan. E-commerce platform po. Yung pong Divine, babagsak po yan sa e-commerce platform. So, and then, meron po tayong seller and affiliates. Meron po tayong courier partner na siya po mag-shipping at papunta sa ating customer. Lahat po tayo ay digital. Kaya nga po meron po tayong drop shipping. Yan. What is Divine Corporation? Shop. A multi-vendor e-commerce platform and affiliate marketing program with a unique promotional strategies for all users. So, napakadali po nitong sundan. So, pag-click po ninyo ng website ng Doors Divine Corp.shop, nandun po makikita ninyo doon ng lahat ng iba't ibang uli ng produkto. So, meron po kaming our brands is Slim Fast, Green Coffee, Radiant Glow, and Shina. Yan. Our products, yung pong Slim Fast. Look a young and fresh and Radiant Glow, 10-in-1 collagen coffee. Yan. Meron po tayong Slim Fast at yung collagen. Yan po yung ating pinaka-main products po ng Divine E-Commerce Marketing Corporation. So, ito po yung our products, yung pong Shina, yung pong Kojic Papaya Soap, at meron din po tayong Micro Diamond Scrub. Yan. Soon po yan. May ibigay na po natin yan. May launch na po natin yan. So for the meantime, ito po yung products description na ipinopromote po namin yung Slim Fast at yung pong collagen. Mabilis po na pagpapayat. Ito po naman yung collagen coffee with Radiant Glow. So, meron po tayong reseller package. Meron po tayong pagpipilian ng option 1, option 2, option 3. Kung gusto po ninyo option 1, 4 boxes of Slim Fast Coffee. Yan, ito lang po yan. Doon po sa reseller package. Meron po tayong option 2, yung 4 boxes of Radiant Glow Coffee. Dalawa pong collagen at dalawa pong Slim Fast. Option 3, 2 boxes of Radiant Glow Coffee, 2 boxes of Slim Fast Coffee. Yan, mix po na yan. How to start? So madali po tayo mag-sign up dito. Punta lamang po tayo, yung register is for free. Pag nag-sign up po ay free. And then log into your account and complete the quest. And start sharing your affiliate link to anyone and earn. Napaka-simple po kung paano yung magsimula dito sa business ng Divine. So meron po tayong compensation plan, yung reward program, commission program, global pool, and incentive program. Isa-isahin ko po yan. So, doon po sa ating reward program, once na kayo po ay nag-sign in po o nag-sign up, meron po kayong account, automatic po meron po kayong reward na 200 pesos. Instantly po yan after you signing up. Meron po naman tayong quest reward, earn additional 50 pesos for every completed guest na nag-sign up po, ay magkakatanggap kayo ng 50 pesos. And then meron po tayong dropshipping reward, get your 5% reward for products you sell on your own shop. Yung tinatawag po na dropshipping. Commission program. Meron po tayong direct referral commission. Every people na nag-join po sa inyo under your link, pagdami po ng inyong reseller package, ay magkakaroon kayo ng 300 each. Every people that invites you at naging direct nyo, magkakaroon kayo ng, at sumali, magkakaroon kayo ng 300 pesos each. Di po ba? Pag may 10 kayo, di ba, may 3,000 kayo. Di ba? Meron naman tayong sales match commission yan. So, bubuo po tayo ng, normally naman po, ganun po tayo eh. Yung ating pong mga multi-level, magkakaroon po ng left and right sales team. So, every people na meron kayo sa inyong left team at yung right team at na-detect po yun ng system, automatic po yan, meron kayong 200 matching commission. Meron dito sa kabila, meron dito sa kabila, meron dito sa kabila, meron dito sa kabila. At every people na magmamatch po sa magkabilang panig ng inyong left sales team and right sales team, meron po kayong 200 each. Yung po yung matching bonus. So, one reseller account, maximum potential income, kung kayo po ay single account, per day po yan ay magkakaroon, kung masipag po kayo, is 4,000 per day or 120 per month. At may rank po kayong king or queen. Kung gusto po ninyo maging 3 accounts, yung tinatawag na 3 reseller account, potential income po per day is 12,000 or 360 per month. Depende po yan kung ilang account yung inyong kukunin. Pero maximum po natin is 15 account na kikita kayo ng 1.8 million per month. Depende po sa kakayahan ninyo. Yan. Pero kung ako po yung susundan ninyo, mag-start muna po kayo sa isa. Kung wala po kayong puhunan, so bago po kayo magdagdag ng magdagdag. It's better po na makaposisyon kasi po pioneering stage po itong Divine E-Commerce Marketing Corporation. Meron po tayong repeat sales commission, yung pong tinatawag nating unilevel. Yan. First level to 10th level po yan. A total of 30% commission on every product repeat sales of Divine exclusive. Lahat po ng members nyo, under you, na magre-repeat sale, meron po kayong percent sa bawat level po na yan. Total of 30% up to 10th level. Di po ba ang ganda? Very easy, very simple. At meron po tayong global pool program. Yan. For example po, yung pong ating Diamond King Lines, sales po ng inyong group is 50K, group sales monthly. So, once na meron kayong dalawa, yung pong Diamond King Lines, ibig sabihin po nito, ito po yung 15 accounts. Kung meron po kayong dalawang leader na 15 accounts sa inyong team, automatic po niyan ay magkakatanggap kayo ng 5% global pool bonus. Yan po ay magagaling sa bigay po yan ng Divine E-Commerce Marketing Corporation. Dito naman po yung 5 Kings Lines, ibig sabihin may 5 kayong Diamond King Lines, yung 15 accounts na kinuha at meron kayong 5 nito under your team, ay meron po kayong 7%. Yan. At kung 10 Diamond King Lines naman, meron kayong 10%. Yan. Yun po ang tinatawag na Global Pool Program. And then, hindi pa po dyan nagtatapos, meron po tayong incentive program. Depende po ito. Ang mechanics po will be announced soon. Meron po tayong car incentive, gadget incentive, and travel incentive. Lahat po ng affiliate members na member na ay pasok po dito sa incentive program. Car incentive, gadget incentive, and travel incentive. Mechanics will be announced soon. I-announce ko po yan. Yan po. Pwede po ninyong ulit-ulitin at salamat po sa inyong pakikinig. Copyright and Divine Corp Shop 2024 all right reserved. Email us support at divine.corp.shop. Kung meron po kayong mga katanungan, pwede po kayo mag-email dito sa support at divinecorp.shop or pwede po ninyo akong kontakin sa aking Facebook account, Ben Briones Mendoza. Salamat po sa inyong lahat at sana po maging parte kayo ng aming corporation ng Divine E-Commerce Marketing Corporation. Naasahan ko po kayo na mag-join dito. Salamat po.